Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So Molly's at my house currently eating all my food, and we're going to my sister's house, Sia, because we got to do some practice. But you guys would have seen earlier in the week I posted a video. I posted a video talking about my weight loss journey. Please go and subscribe to my health channel, Health and Beauty. I'm gonna put it down here or somewhere. Subscribe. So I just got home from work not long ago, and I'm making Aussie some dinner. He's working till late tonight, which I didn't know until he just called me now. But after work I came home, he wasn't here, so I went to the shop and got a whole heap of stuff to make dinner with. So I'm making his favorite. So I'm gonna finish chopping up the chicken, then I gotta fry the bacon to get it crispy, and I am currently cooking the pasta. I just finished making Aussie's food, so I wrapped it up for him. That's basically just garlic bread and his lunch for tomorrow, and then he can just take from here. I didn't have enough of the creamy thing. I only bought one when I usually buy two, but I was trying to make just enough for him, but then I got a bit carried away with the pasta, and yeah, that's pretty much soaked up all of the creamy crap. But I'm eating pecans. These are so yummy. Can't have too much though. Hey guys, we just got home from church. Ooh, there's something there. And we're making lunch. We were gonna go to Rashay's for lunch, but we have food at home, so I'm just cooking. Aussie's eating a whole lot of junk in front of me, but I'm gonna make him some bacon and eggs, and I'm making lettuce hamburgers.
What's up guys, it's your boy Georgie. We're back with another video guys. We just finished church guys. I'm just eating you know, yeah, just a little bit KFC, but I'm eating healthy guys. Yeah.
No, you're not.
I'm eating healthy as well guys. Yeah.
Kuchi kuchi. Putti putti. Bam. Go away. Poo poo. Shh. Let him have some space. Say Eben stinky bum.
No.
Oh. Whose side are you on, Eddie?
No.
Say Eben stinky bum.
Big bum. No.
Say Eben big bum.
Look to the camera and say, ready? 1, 2, 3. Talofa Samoa. Oa'u. Oa'u. Look at the camera. Oa'u. Oletama. Samoa.
Wow. Talofa. Olo'ingoa. O Eddie. Pipilo. Muli. Ta'u. Yay!
Say oa'u. 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 Eben's shoes. Whose shoes? Whose shoes is it? Whose shoes is it? Yeah, give it to Eben. Give it to Eben. Okay, Eben, come on, get your shoe there.
Oh yeah.
Get your shoe. Okay, you cry.
Eddie, give Eben's shoe back. Tie Eben, please. Morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. We were meant to go to the farm today, and we didn't because it's really wet outside. I'll show ya. So Aussie and I are going to have some breakfast and post something off, which Aussie's holding.
What's up guys?
But basically, if you all don't know, we've been picking at this farm for about 26 years, as old as I am. It's such a humbling experience. It really just brings you back down to where you started, where you came from. Being new migrants into this country, that was pretty much the only job that my dad could get quickly. And my dad is such a hustler, he's a provider, and it was his way of providing for our family for so many years. I remember you know, picking grapes, bought our uniforms, picking grapes, bought our books, paid for our trips overseas to Samoa, and it's just really humbling. Like, we keep telling my dad, okay, let this job go, because we're all kind of old now, got kids. Well, he did try and tell the farmer, but the farmer was like, please, no, I need you guys because you guys are really quick. And so we are just still picking there after work. We go there and pick, and I honestly don't feel like we're going to be stopping for a very long time. And my dad always used to say to us when we were younger, do well in school, because if you don't want a job like this, then do well in school. So we all grew up, we've got good jobs, and we are still picking to this day. So moral of the story is, doesn't matter if you have a really good job, if you're Prime Minister of Australia, you'll still be called to do picky. Isn't that right, Aussie? And I remember I always used to make up like these excuses. Every time we got to picky, I was always like, Mom, I need to go to the toilet. She would say, make sure you come back. If you don't come back, I'll come looking for you. So we would go to the toilet for like 5 minutes and then come out and start playing, looking around, walking around, exploring, playing with the farmer's dogs, looking at the horses, like sitting down, eating all of their lunch. It's just such great family memories, guys. And that's where all of my siblings learned how to drive, which was on the farm.
Yeah, guys, so yeah, it's Saturday. We're going to have a breakfast now, right now. We're inside the post office. We just send our stuff. My snacky girl is there, over there, trying to fill the form. And you know, your boy Georgie's walking around and I'm gonna have a look. So yeah, now we here at the mall. Early, super early. Yeah, just come have our breakfast here. You know what it is, guys, we just have a breakfast. I enjoy to have a breakfast because I'm so starving, guys. It's your boy, starving boy.
Sorry guys, we didn't even show you our food because we were so hungry. I only ate half of it and I forced myself to eat it to this much left because I hate wasting food. But I got the omelette and Aussie got the steak, bacon and eggs on toast with chips. Still here at the mall. We came to set up an account with CBA, a joint one for our family endeavors that we've got coming up soon. And we got Molly girl here, walking like a staunch lady. She said she'll knock me out. Georgie boy at the back. But we're about to go drop our cars off so we can go in one car. We're going to drive somewhere else to have some lunch. It's a Kluger, not a Klodger.
Klodger. I'm American, huh? Cheap Klodger.
Maybe they don't say. Americans will say Kluger.
Kluger.
Kluger?
Kluger. Klodger.
Maybe they want to kill Aussie's rap. Guys, so we all came to Chrissy's house to use her driveway, and we're going in Molly girl's car because we need to have a family day. And we also cancelled our biggie today, but we got it tomorrow. Okay guys, so it's been a busy day with the crew, the squad. We're here at Costco now because I came to get a few keto things. Okay guys, so we're back in the car now. We're in a bit of a rush in Costco. We weren't planning on spending that long there, but I wanted to show you what I got. I got some almond flour, and if you look at it closely, this is very fine, and I'm so excited to start baking with it and cooking things with it. Mwah!
What's up guys, it's your boy Georgie. We just finished church guys. Now we're here in the car, we're ready to go home. And I think we have our plan for up the church. We have a plan to go to some buffet, yes, I think. I'm gonna eat so much today. I'm so starving. Snacky boy Georgie. Hey! Today we're gonna do the mukbang inside these clubs guys. So yeah, we just guys see.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Today we are going to do the mukbang guys. Mukbang or mukbang, mukbang, whatever.
Hello, SB Squad.
See, mukbang. So
Can you see?
doing the mukbang here today.
Why did you guys come here?
What do you say? Mukbang?
Girls.
They probably can't even hear us.
You see guys?
Can I have one more?
So we're gonna do the mukbang as you see guys.
I can't see us again. Yok ya mako mukbang dia sus. Whatever. Bạn làm mình
Cái mukbang này lúc cái show rồi mới câu với cái mukbang. Mà cái show mà.
No, I want something under there. Get a knife. This fork. Hi guys, start again. We're at Star Buffet.
Yeah. So we're doing a mukbang. We just finished church. Now we're doing a mukbang. As you see guys in food. So I don't know what we're gonna talk about, but yeah, we just enjoy having food so much. I just got a wrap here. Wrap.
Prawn.
Oh, from
I got beef ribs, some curry,
chicken nuggets.
Caesar salad, some pizza,
Fly rice.
spring roll. I don't usually like prawns, but I'm going to give it a try.
Nice. Oh, I love the squat. Would you like to tell?
So, what can we talk about?
So guys, I'm not talking on camera because
Move
a
away.
little bit late today. Almost finished, but
Are they not picking up?
What are we meant to talk about?
still not.
I'm done with the heavy food. I'm going for dessert.
T-shirt drop.
I hardly even ate.
Already taking all came here with T-shirt.
Well, you better make the most of our money.
This is my T-shirt mukbang. I'm telling you guys, if you go to a buffet, you need to be empty stomach. And you go in there, just eat lots. Make your money worth.
Make your money work.
So yeah, this is dessert mukbang. You see it? You put in the ice cream like this, and
It's like ew. Okay, so also tell us about your first kiss.
my first kiss when I was 8 years old.
Oh my gosh. What a mood. I know.
You know your boy man, he always kiss everywhere. Sorry, kalau emang di sana lepas. So tell you guys more story about me.
Okay, what's another question for him to answer?
Yeah.
Your first fight.
I fight with the Fakawa Paying win Samoa. How is the question? Tell us the
Did you
question.
try to steal the
What? No, what happened?
It's not a boy whakaoping, it's a girl whakaoping.
No, you should.
What kind of fight was it? Was it physical, emotional, mental? All of
Mental,
the above?
mental. Okay, kukuha sa overall aping. Yeah.
Can you tell us where your last name came from? Because it doesn't make sense.
Guys, my last name came from all the way from there in Europe. You know, I'm at a part of Europe, and this girl trying to marry me to get my last name. So, you know.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
Yeah, no, I was just
I got-
taking everyone's details.
9 brothers. Nine brothers. And 5 sisters. Ya, pula aku bang ay. Ya, ini siya ba na? Kasi may ako mukbang nga ko.
Stay na lang.
Stay
na lang. May away ang ngayon. Okay na lang yan. We're low-key matchmakers. How many people have gotten followers because of us? You being serious?